Everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have done center of gravity explanation of this unit. Do see that video before seeing this exercise. I will put the video in I button above. Now we are doing exercise 1b. Now, define the term center of gravity of a body. The answer is center of gravity of a body is the point about which the algebraic sum of moments of weights of all the particles constituting the body is 0. This is the definition of center of gravity of a body. Can the center of gravity of a body be situated outside its material? Yes. Give an example. The center of gravity can be situated outside the material of the body. For example, center of gravity of ring. This is the answer of this second question. Now third, state one factor on which the position of center of gravity of a body depend. Explain your answer with an example. The position of center of gravity of a body of given mass depends on its shape, on the distribution of mass in it. That is distribution of mass in it. For example, it is asked, give an example, center of gravity of uniform wire is at its midpoint, but if the wire is bent into the form of circle, its center of gravity will be at the center of circle. This also I have explained all these points in explanation video of center of gravity unit B. Do see that video, it will be helpful for you. This is the answer of question number 3. Question number 4. What is the position of center of gravity of a rectangular lamina? It is rectangular lamina is at the point of intersection of its diagonals, and of a cylinder is at midpoint of the axis of cylinder. Okay. Question number 5. At which point is the center of gravity of situated in triangular lamina? Center of gravity of a triangular lamina is situated at the point of intersection of its medians, and of a circular lamina, center of gravity of a circular lamina is situated at the center of circular lamina, as it is like circle ring, so it will be center of circle. Question number 6. Where is the center of gravity of a uniform ring situated? Now, center of gravity of a uniform ring is situated at the center of the ring. Suppose this is the ring. It will be at the center of the ring. Here it will be G. Okay. Now question number 7. A square cardboard is suspended by passing a pin through a narrow hole at its one corner. Draw a diagram to show its rest position. In the diagram, mark the point of suspension by the letter S and center of gravity by the letter G. This is the diagram. Do draw this diagram. Okay. Now, a square cardboard is rest position with G, in rest position with G as center of gravity and S as point of suspension. This is point of suspension and G is the center of gravity. Question number 8. Explain how will you determine experimentally the position of center of gravity for a triangular lamina or triangular piece of cardboard. Now, take a triangular lamina. Make 3 fine holes at A, B, C near the edge of triangular lamina. This also I have explained in my explanation video. You must watch that explanation video of center of gravity. Now suspend the given lamina along with a plumb line from hole A. First we have to calculate from A, then from B and then from C. This diagram is must for this question. So do dot this diagram and write this explanation of it. Question number 9. State whether the following statement is true or false. The position of center of gravity of a body remains unchanged even when the body is deformed. It is false. The position of center of gravity of a body of given mass depends on its shape, that is, on distribution of mass of it. And the position of center of gravity changes even when the body is deformed. Center of gravity of a freely suspended body always lies vertically below the point of suspension. This is true. Question number 10. A uniform flat circular rim is balanced on a sharp vertical nail by supporting it at point A. As shown in figure 1.42, mark the position of center of gravity of the rim in the diagram by the letter G. We have to mark G here. So you have to draw this diagram again and mark G point here. Okay. Question number 11. Figure shows 3 pieces of cardboard of uniform thickness cut into 3 different shapes. On each diagram, draw 2 lines to indicate the position of center of gravity G. Now we have to find center, right? So just draw the diagonals of all this, and you will get the center of gravity. Just draw it neatly, okay? Here I'm not able to draw it neatly, but in notebook you must draw it neatly. This will be the answer, and you will write here G, okay? Everywhere G, G, that is center of gravity, it indicates. Question number 1 of MCQ. The center of gravity of a uniform ball is first at its geometric center, B at its bottom, C at its topmost point, and D at any point on its surface. The answer is A, that is at its geometric center. The center of gravity of a uniform ball is at its geometric center because uniform ball is circle, so it will be a geometrical center, right? Now question number 2, center of gravity of a hollow cone of height h is at distance x from its vertex, where the value of x is h upon 3, h upon 4, 2h upon 3 and 3h upon 4. Hollow cone we have studied, it is at 2h upon 3, h upon 3. So center of gravity of a hollow cone is at a height h upon 3 from the base, hence the vertex, the height is h minus h upon 3. So h upon 3 minus h, so that will be 2h upon 3. 3 में से 2 कट 1 कट किया तो 2 रहेगा, so 3 and 1, so cut it, subtract it, you will get 2, so 2h upon 3, hence the correct option is C. So 2h upon 3 is the answer. A very big thank you to reach the end of this video. Subscribe to my channel for all ICSE 10th subjects and press the bell icon after subscribing so that you will get the notification whenever I upload my new video. Till then, bye bye.